Freedom of jail, clips inserted. A baby's being born, same time a man is murdered. The beginning and end. As far as rap go, it's only natural. I explain my plateau and also what defines my name. First it was nasty, but times have changed. Ask me now, I'm the artist, but hardcore, my signs for pain. I spent time in the game, kept my mind on fame. Saw fiends shoot up and do lines of cocaine. Saw my close friend shot, flatlining my sane. That depends, carry Mac 10s to practice my aim. On rooftops, tape CD covers the trees. Line a barrel up with your weak picture and squeeze. Street scriptures for lost souls in the crossroads. To the corner thugs hustling for cars that cost dough. To the big dogs living large, taking it light. Pushing big toys, getting nice, join your life is what you make it. Suicide, few tried to take it. Belt tied around their neck in jail cells naked. Heaven and hell, rap legend, presence is felt. And of course, NAS are the letters that spell.
Nazis like life or death. My rap, my poetry's deep, I never felt. Nazis like half man, half amazing. No doubt. Nazis like life or death. My rap, my poetry's deep, I never felt. Nazis like half man, half amazing. No doubt. Nazis like
Earth, wind, and fire, rims and tires, bulletproof glass inside is the realest driver. Planets in orbit, line them up with the stars. Tarot cards, you can see the Pharaoh Nas. Iron Mike, Messiah type. Before the Christ, after the death, the last one left. Let my cash invest in stock. Came a long way from blasting. Text on blocks. Went from Seiko to Rolex. Owning acres from the projects with no chips to large cake though. Dimes giving fellatio. Siete zeros. Bet my nine spit for the pesos. But what's it all worth? Can't take it with you under this earth. Rich men died and tried, but none of it worked. They just rob your grave. I'd rather be alive and paid before my numbers call. History's made. Some will fall, but I rise, thug or die. Making choices that determine my future under the sky. To rob, steal, or kill, I'm wondering why. It's a dirty game. Is any man worthy of fame? Much success to you, even if you wish me the opposite. Sooner or later, we'll all see who the prophet is.
Nazis like life or death. My rap, my poetry's deep, I never felt. Nazis like half man, half amazing.
Come on.
No doubt. Nazis like life or death. My rap, my poetry's deep, I never felt. Nazis like half man, half amazing. No doubt. Nazis like
sex to a nympho, but nothing sweet. I'm like beef busting heat through your windows. I'm like a street sweeper, green leaf breather. Like Greeks in Egypt, learning something deep from their teachers. I'm like crime, like you're 9. Your man you would die for, always got you. I'm like Pop Duke, you would cry for. I'm like a whole lot of loot. I'm like Chris Money, corporate accounts from a rich company. I'm like ecstasy for ladies. I'm like all races combined in one man. Like the 99 Summer Jam, bulletproof, I'm a man. I'm like being locked down around new faces, and none of them fan. I'm the feeling of a millionaire spending 100 grand. I'm a poor man's dream, a thug poet. Live it and I write it down, then I watch it blow up. Y'all know what I'm like, y'all play it in your system every night now.
Nazis like life or death. I'm a rebel. My poetry's deep, I never felt. Nazis like half man, half amazing. No doubt. Nazis like life or death. I'm a rebel. My poetry's deep, I never felt. Nazis like man, half amazing. No doubt. Nazis like
TM baby. Come on. Track masters. Look, we can shop together, mama. His and hers. Fifth ass shit, baby, Fendi first. I ain't tight with the tips, girl, I'm down with splurge. If it's Aisha like, I'll light up your life. VS2 clarity, alright? I play the block. I ain't the type to punch a clock. I'm the type to put the pedal to the floor and drop. I live life in the fast lane. I mix drill with hash. Hustle hard for cash so I can spoil that ass. It's like she loves me not. Cause her friends pump her head full of bullshit a lot. I gave her jewels that I caught her for jokes. Chanel bags I bought from Boosters. To the hood, I introduced her, she feisty. Every now and then she wanna fight me. Beefing saying if I get knocked, she ain't gon' write me. The sick part is, all that bullshit excites me.
That's what I need. My friends don't seem to see. Money, I'm lonely, and I never wanna leave my baby.
Like this, like that, like this.
Hey
yo, the illest rapper to hold the cordless, patrolling corners, looking for hookers to punch in the mouth for the roll of quarters. I'm meaner in accent in Roscoe, beating James Todd Sr. and smacking his back with vacuum cleaner attachments. I grew up in a wild hood, it's a hazardous youth, but with a fucked up childhood that I use as an excuse. And ain't shit changed, I kept the same mind state since the third time that I failed 9th grade. You probably think that I'm a negative person. Don't be so sure of it. I don't promote violence, I just encourage it. I laugh at the sight of death as I fall down a cement flight of steps and land inside a bed of spider webs. So throw caution into the wind. You and a friend can jump off of a bridge, and if you live, do it again. Shit, why not? Blow your brain out. I'm blowing mine out. Fuck it, you only live once. You might as well die now.
Check it. When I come into place, excitement. Like a plain watch took the Jacob and iced it. Lane E coming through in the purest form. On some Streisand shit. When the star is born, I might rock a fake diamond watch for the scene. You rob me, end up dead for no reason. I approach those wanna cramp my style. When I act classes and no homework. But your teacher preaches class like you're some kind of jerk. You gotta fight for your right to party. Your pops caught you smoking, man, he says no way. Hypocrite smokes 2 packs a day. Man, living at home is such a drag. Now your mom threw away your best porno mag. Bussy, you gotta fight for your right to party.
might be anyone, a lone fool out in the sun. Your heartbeat of solid gold. I love you, you'll never know. When the daylight comes, you feel so cold. You know, I'm too afraid of my heart to let you go. Waiting for the fire to light, feeling like we could do right. Be the one that makes tonight. 'Cause freedom is a lonely road. We're under control. Daylight comes, you feel so cold. You know, I'm too afraid of my heart to let you go. Waiting for the fire to light, feeling like we could do right. Be the one that makes tonight. 'Cause freedom is a lonely road. We're under control. For the fire to light, feeling like we could do right. Be the one that makes tonight. 'Cause freedom is a lonely road. We're under control. Under control.
reality, my dear. I like my toes down on one side, and you can hear it in my accent when